Nakakatuwang bumalik po ng Butuan City, so magkita rin na po tayo doon at sana po first time ko po kung kumanta sa aeroplano. Sana po ito po kinanta ko nung The Voice nung nag-blind auditions po ako. Sana po okay lang po sa inyo. Thank you po. Oh, won't you stay with me, because you're all I need. This ain't love is fantasy, but darling, stay with me. Yeah. Whoa. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll take you over and I wanna see you again. Thank you po. Maraming salamat.